Want to offer flexible payments to your customers and boost sales on your Shopify store? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to add Klarna as a payment option at checkout. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Adding Klarna to your Shopify store is a straightforward process that can significantly increase your conversion rate by giving shoppers more ways to pay. First, from your Shopify admin dashboard, navigate to Settings and then click on Payments. In the Alternative Payments section, you will find a list of providers. Search for Klarna in the list or use the Add Provider button to find it. Once you select Klarna, you'll be guided through a process to connect your Shopify store to your Klarna merchant account. You will need to provide some business details for verification. Once connected and configured, Klarna will automatically appear as a payment option for your customers at checkout. A crucial pro tip: ensure your product prices are clearly displayed. Klarna's widget automatically calculates and shows installment amounts, which works best when customers can easily see the original price. Also, promote that you offer Pay with Klarna on your product pages and marketing materials. And just like that, you've just unlocked a powerful tool to attract more buyers. Offering payment flexibility is a win-win for your business and your customers. Have you seen an increase in sales after adding Klarna? Share your results in the comments. To expand your reach, subscribe for our next video on how to integrate Klarna with WooCommerce. Thanks for watching.